Hello genuine traders, hope your day was good. If not, this is the video for you. In this video we will understand what my perspective is of tomorrow. This is just a educational purpose video, so you do your own analysis and then try to understand what I'm saying, and if you agree with that, maybe you can take your own decisions. Since last few days the market has been just falling in the first half and then recovers slightly. Okay, if you see the fall, then the recovery. If you see the fall, then the recovery. So there is a pattern, right? When the market is falling and then slightly it is rising. However, I have an opinion. If you see this line on 10th of Jan, when market fell, what happens next day is, next day the market takes resistance from that exact point. Usually market will not do that, because what will happen is, considering this resistance, many people would have made their put positions from this point. Maybe they were waiting for this gap to fill, and that's why market has just fallen from this point. But if this was from this point or anywhere else or from here itself, I wouldn't have given this much attention to this pattern. However, I think because this has been created already, my understanding is that market should break this. Whomsoever have bought put or call short positions, they will have their stop losses here. Okay, that's the highest point from this point. That means this is 468, and if on expiry tomorrow, if market breaks this point, then market will go till here. But now, as you know, 23,500 is a magical number. Let's assume that market just continuously goes up, right? Then because it has to go up to here, and again 23,500 is round figure, that means it will not again sustain here. It has to cross at least 50-60 points, you can say 23,555. But because the market is so silent from last 2 days, it is possible that we can expect a big move. This is the profit we have made today. Okay, let me just refresh. This is Grow Platform 61,938. So these are some of the trades that I have made. I'm doing a scalping, meaning I will take a position and then exit in a quick few minutes of time period. Sometime it might sustain or be longer for an hour also. It happens very rarely, but that is the maximum time period I will hold my positions. So there were around 5 positions I had taken. Okay, maybe sometime I would have taken multiple times same position, so that is a different thing. But on an average, I have made around 15,000 profit, I would say. There is only one loss, 8,262. But again, we will discuss about that loss also. Okay, so if I just get back to 1 minute, that's the time frame I use usually. Okay, like 90% of the time period I will use 1 minute candle. So if you see how the pattern has been created, remember one thing, because market has given continuous fall, people are expecting that there will be some correction. Whenever there is a sharp buying, again there is a selling happening. Okay, but that's a pattern, and maybe I think that pattern is getting created because we should get trapped in that. If you see one of the call, I have made a losses 23,250. Why I made this loss is because I was assuming that a market will go and break its high. Also it will further go till 344. That's the reason I bought somewhere here. But this continuous rally I was not expecting. I didn't expect that once this is broken from here, I was expecting that the market will move upward, but it continuously gave this rally. Okay, that's what market will do, and that's why we sometime don't understand what is happening, because we know ultimately market will do that. But in between that time period, how many times it will go up and down is what no one can predict basically. That's why market is difficult, right? However, what happened is, when this pattern was getting created, okay, I knew because of this pattern, I know that market should not go too much of down. Also, if it breaks this level, what will happen is there will be more outside come into picture. That's the reason I'm assuming that market will not break this level also that easily, at least tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Whenever there are buyers coming into picture, there is a bigger rally to the put side. Now this rally was very important. If you see, whenever there is a single side rally, whomsoever have taken a position at this level, they will have a very hard time to digest that. Going forward, I think this will be a no trade zone. If I have to add this channel. Okay, according to me this will be a no trade zone. I'll just delete this. This will be a like a medium point for the market's direction. I always look at any trade as 51% and 49%. I don't see any trade at 99% of the confirmation. Because of that one extra percent, I just take that trade. That's, you can say, it's an intuition or probability. So my 51% probability is whenever market will come in this zone, that time I will look for buying side. When it will be in the middle of this zone, then it will be a no trade zone. And as soon as it breaks this level, roughly based upon price action and chart how it has prepared, probably I will take the put side position. But it is very risky because since after 2 days of sideways market, I don't think market will directly go and touch this level. So do let me know in the comments if you want to understand in more detailed way how I have taken the trades. Basically, it's very difficult to let you know because maybe I would have taken 8 to 10 trades. Almost out of 5 means like almost 80% of my trades are profitable, right? Only one trade went wrong. That was 8,000. I gave you explanation on that in the beginning. Now from here, if you see the pattern, every time market is showing that I'm falling and falling. That is the reason, because I knew this, I have taken good trades at this level because this was almost at the end of the day. There was no much time decay left. I have seen the call and put side also. If you see, the market is at 23 to 28, and if you see the call 250 call, let me just show you 23 250 call here. Okay, it's at 39 rupees. And if I show you, okay, 200 put, that means if you roughly see only 50 rupees premium available, which is very odd, right? On Wednesday, usually premium is around 80-90 rupees, and on Thursday expiry is at around 12 o'clock. Premium would be around 50 rupees. So I took small trades because we do scalping with large quantities. I took trade here, I waited, and I booked profit here. Capital I used was around 2 lakh rupees. Okay, so on 2 lakh rupees, 61,000 is the good enough profit. All right, thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye bye. We'll connect tomorrow.